Fundrizer does not come with its own payment system, so it relies on WooCommerce to handle payments. Now, we will show you how to set up the payment system and create products so you can accept payments for your fundraising campaign. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, then click Install WooCommerce Now at the top. Click Install Now on the WooCommerce plugin. Then, activate the plugin after the installation is complete. Uncheck I agree. Then skip this part. Complete your store information. Then skip and wait until a display appears like this. Go to the Settings menu. Then select Payments. Here, you can enable payment methods such as PayPal, credit card, bank transfer, and others. We enable the bank transfer payment method, then finish setup. Complete your bank account, make sure the data is correct. Then save. Click on the campaign menu to create a fundraising product, enabling your campaign to accept payments. Click Create Product, then click on the Products menu and select Edit. In the product data section, you can see that this product type is set to fundraising. Go back to the Campaigns menu, where you can see that the campaign is linked with the fundraising product. And that's it! You've successfully set up payment system and create product for fundraising campaign. For more helpful tips and tutorials on Locust WP, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section and be sure to like, share and subscribe.